Thomas Season 1 in a nutshell, this time with wooden trains. Also, by the way, all the titles shown here are the original UK titles. You suck! Ha ha! Oh no, I'm stuck on a hill. I'll come and help you. Whee! So ungrateful, whee! I don't want to come out of that tunnel. Fine, be that way. I made the wrong choice. I've broken down, damn it. You can come out of the tunnel, Henry. Okay. I mustn't leave the coaches behind. Whoops. I can't stop! Ah! Ah! Oh, I stopped.
I can explain.
Don't worry, James. We'll have you back on the tracks. Well, Thomas, that was very admirable of you. You get your own branch line. Oh, thank you, sir. Well, great. Now my coach needs to get fixed in the middle of a journey. Oh, great. Now my truck's broken away. Gordon, since you lost your way, James is pulling the express. Wait, what's that now? Where is my guard? Here I am, Thomas. You left me at the station. Oh, I don't feel so good. The reason is because you have fish in your tanks. Wait, what? You're ugly.
3 days later.
I saved you. Okay, you're not too bad. 3, 2, 1, go! Ha ha, I won. Oh, well done, Thomas. Look, it's a new tank engine. Insert overuse me right here. We're not going to work tomorrow. Work today, please.
Nah, I don't really feel like it.
Because you won't work, I bought a new engine called Percy. Okay, you can come out now. Percy, get out of my way. Ugh, I don't feel so good. Henry, I got you new coal. Oh, I feel much better. Because of that crash, I have a new look now.
Shut up, you're so annoying!
Hello, I'm Toby, and I've just met this nice man. Oh well, no one wants me, so I have to stay in the shed. Only tram engines are allowed on the tramway. Okay, you have one now, I'll let you off the hook. By the way, that nice guy purchased me. You're ugly. You didn't make this mess, did you, James? Ha ha, you had an accident. Don't worry, little Thomas, I'll save you. Okay, we're friends now. We must save Mrs. Kindly. Don't worry, I'll help. Oh, thank you, Terence. We saved Mrs. Kindly. Merry Christmas, Mrs. Kindly.